Welcome back to my channel. Stefan Wolf is here. Today's video about a sharpening product by Victorinox, Dual Knife Sharpener. This is the official webpage of Swiss Army Knives, or Victorinox as we know them in Europe, and the product number is 4.3323. So you can see that's from the web, and this is the real thing. So let's see what's the description. Perfect portable solution for sharpening all your straight blades. Swiss-made dual-function knife sharpener, includes a honing stone for pre-sharpening and ceramic discs for fine edges. Backing up my camera, so that's a picture of the product and a video. So this must be the pre-sharpening stage with the ceramic rod, and then the two fine ceramic discs for, I presume, the burring. Okay, so that's the end of the videos, the packaging. So let's go this way. That's the packaging, simple, sturdy, good enough for shipping. Name of the product in several languages. The most interesting thing for me is the layout of the back. So you see at first using the ceramic discs, then showing you the proper angle, and then using the bigger ceramic, let's say, sharpening rod, and you can see the barcode and the product number. So on the packaging, probably you will consider to use first the ceramic discs and then the ceramic rod, not like the description from the site, from the website, and description in the two short videos. So Victorinox looks like a pen, plastic. So now we have a guest. Okay, that's the one side, and the second side. These are the two ceramic discs. I will try to zoom. Yes, you can see them. Two white pieces of ceramic. You can see I already tried them. So from the packaging, you will try to use this one first and this part second. But if you check the website and see the videos and try this for real, you will understand that this is your primary sharpening device, and the white discs are for deburring. If you raised to huge burr and you don't minimize it and remove it by sharpening on the sharpening rod on this ceramic thing. I'll try to remove the kitten for safety reasons. Not very happy. So I think I'm in focus. First, dulling the blade. Let's see, is nothing. Let's try the fine white things, white ceramic discs. So you align and you just mold them That's simple, that's efficient, easy to use, relatively safe. Your hands and fingers are away from the cutting edge. That's just a couple of passes. So probably you're familiar with such type of sharpeners that use carbide rods or carbide discs. The premise there is that the carbide is much harder than steel, so it remove metal. A couple of passes, let's try. It's dull because this is the fine part of the sharpener. The real deal is here. That's why I bought this. So again, it's dull. Being an oval shape, you can think about this like an oval sharpening rod, burnishing steel, butcher steel. You can use, you can buy an oval one or a round one. The benefits of an oval one is the bigger contact surface on the spot they meet together. But when you're using a smaller surface like the edge of the oval, let's say edge, the contact point is very small, so you don't need to apply much pressure to achieve the same results. Oh, let's find this 20 degrees and trying not to cut myself because the camera angle is a little bit different. So you definitely can hear abrasive working. So that was the edge. Let's show you. The video will be probably a little bit too long because I want to show the product and speak about how to use it properly. Let's see, can I focus to see the... Yes, these marks are steel that is removed from the knife, from the cutting edge. So we have abrasion. The sharpening is happening. We are trying to reach an apex to form a proper cutting edge. I cannot say what is the grit rating of this stone. For me, some kind of ceramic, probably aluminum based. But I can see that definitely the speed of removing metal from this general purpose Victorinox sparring knife, so a stainless steel with, let's say, 0.5–0.6% carbon content, a little bit of molybdenum, a little bit of vanadium, 55–56 on the Rockwell's scale, so perfectly acceptable. Stainless steel for kitchen, for household use. So let's try. I think this is a definite difference. It's not clean, but it's there. So let's try the second part. In my opinion, this is not the most useful part of the sharpener. I like the ceramic rod better. So aligning the knife and the two white fine discs. They are in V shape. So my dots. My conclusion is that they are for the burring. You raise the burr with the ceramic rod, and then you use the two fine white ceramic discs to cut it off and to ensure that there is no burr and the V-shape of the cutting edge is proper. Let's see if my theory is right, or I'm speaking 10 minutes bullshit. I cannot say that there is significant difference. So it's your job to decide where you use this part of the sharpener. I'm much happier with this one. Something like 600 grit, let's say, but this is speculation, it's not confirmed, just my feel for the work of the abrasive. Something like 25-30 microns, which is suitable for pocket sharpener. I'm a big fan of the DMT sharpeners, diamond coated blades, so very light strokes on the edge, raising a little bit the angle. I'm a fan of the DMTs because you can have a pocket sharpener with coarse and fine, that's 325 and 600 grit, which is very long lasting and gives good result with, of course, simple steels, but you can sharpen things like ZDP 189, SG2, Hub 40, Maxamet, and other things which are insanely hard, 62, 64 plus Rockworth scale. So is that the best sharpness? In my opinion, it's not. Is it properly sharp? I don't think so. But is it sharp enough for the most domestic and kitchen tasks? You know that your knives or the knives of your relatives or friends are in very bad shape most of the times. So this being $10, $12, $15 is easy way to sharpen a knife with good enough results for general purpose use. For more suitable and more advanced sharpening techniques and stones, you can see my other videos. There are plenty of them. Again, this is the Victorinox pocket sharpener. This thing, I don't like it. I don't like the use of it. For me, it's rather useless. But this guy is good, and the working surface is big enough. The quality and consistency of materials are good enough in my book for the price. The packaging is clever, easy to transport, safe to keep the ceramics safe, and you can put this in your backpack or into your pocket organizers or survival kits. That's a modern thing to have survival kit or disaster kit or ADC kit, or just throw it into the kitchen drawer with the miscellaneous. And when your wife is not happy with the sharpness of her knives, spend 5 to 10 minutes for a couple of knives. You will be happy, she will be happy. That's it, folks. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Stay tuned for more videos, and of course, if you like the content of my channel, feel free to subscribe, to share it. My channel is not monetized. I do these things just for fun. Ciao.